Okay. There's Bones. There he is. Today's a special day because it is breeding day. Our does are 5 months old now, and it is time to start the process. This will be our first time breeding rabbits, so that's why you're here. This is all about first time experiences.
For a lot of us.
Oh yeah. Yeah. These does are very new to this.
I think he's a little experienced, maybe.
Yeah. He knew what to do right out the gate.
Well, he was trying to hump heads, but
yeah.
what are you gonna do?
That was our bad. It helps if you cover her eyes when you're picking her up. That should help keep her calm.
You'll be okay.
There we go. Good job. Alright, let's see how they play. Let's hope this doesn't get violent. I'll leave it open. Good boy. There's one. Well, she seems a little...
Oh, Bonds, you're not doing it right.
Come on, Bones. Other way, honey. Turn around. Ah, he'll figure it out. I mean, she's lifting for it.
That is true.
Yeah. She's just a little concerned because this is her first time. It's recommended you give them 3 drop-offs for to make sure that it takes. There he goes. God, they're so big.
Yeah, they are.
When we first got them, they were so small, and we didn't know what breed they were, so we were afraid that they would be too small of a breed to breed with this Californian, but we lucked out, because boy howdy.
Look, you figured it out almost immediately.
Almost. I can't tell if she's lifting from here. She kind of is.
Well, I think he's had 3 separate humps. I couldn't tell if the last 2 took or not.
It doesn't count unless he drops off.
I see.
We'll just give them some time.
Okay. And how many does he have in a day before he's spent?
What's up, Murray? Do you want some of this too?
Apparently so.
They're old enough. They should be like... should be hitting that age.
Mm-hmm.
He's so clumsy. Come on, bud, you're so close. You're
You've
so
almost
close.
figured out how to pork.
You've almost figured it out.
You had it right the first time, I think.
Yeah, I mean, he got one.
Mm. Well, it looks like they're not going to get violent with each other.
Yeah, that's very good.
Marie is so excited right now.
Yeah, she's going nuts over there.
Oh, they chilling.
They're very cute together. She's gonna have so many gorgeous babies. Oh gosh, I just can't wait.
Big, gorgeous babies.
Yes.
Look at her.
There you go, buddy. You're getting it.
Close.
I wonder if it's too hot today.
Yeah, we didn't get prime time in the day neither.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no accounting for bad aim.
Yeah. I don't think temperature would help if you just can't get it in.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. She's still back in that corner.
Yeah. Maybe we're freaking her out by being right next to her, watching her, cage open.
Yeah, she is very... She's very unsettled by us being here. We could pull her out and try with Marie.
Oh,
Oh, there's one.
that apparently counts.
Oof, so exhausting. Courting is exhausting. You okay in there, hon? You wash face?
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Bones is our good boy. He's the one who likes his pets the most, but he's also the oldest, and I'm wondering if maybe that contributes to it.
Mm-hmm.
It could also be a case of we kind of moved him into a nicer cage from what he was in before. The breeder that we got him from just had them in metal cages, no support, nothing to stand on, no hide boxes, nothing. So he had sore hacks like a motherfucker when we brought him home, and we didn't notice until then. And his claws were all super long, like they'd never been trimmed in his life, and
A little bit gnarly and twisted.
oh yeah, they look so bad. We're gonna have to be trimming his nails for a long time before they start to look normal again. But his sore hocks are getting a lot better.
Yeah, they're barely noticeable on the backside here.
Mm-hmm. His fur pretty much covers him, whereas before he had a huge bare spot. And now he's got plenty of grass to eat, whereas before he was only getting pellets and water. He's got a nice box to hide in. Turn it around, bud. She's in position. You've got room.
Biz, biz, biz.
Buzz, buzz.
Maybe I should start tapping his tail.
Tapping his tail.
Mm. She's gonna think you don't know what you're doing if you keep humping her head.
She's interested at least. She keeps sniffing him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. There's the position.
I think
Now get
you
in
finally
there.
figured it out.
Get in there. That's my good boy.
That didn't take more than a few seconds.
Mm-hmm. It doesn't take long as once they get in there.
Mm. All right, bud. You gonna get one more for us?
You got one more in you, Buns? You got one more bone in you?
You're gonna chill together for a second.
Yeah, that's my good boy. Tessa's over here loafing. Look at this loaf. Such a cute.
Give him kisses.
Oh. Oh goodness. She likes him. Oh. She is the friendlier girl
Mm-hmm.
between the two of them.
For sure.
I'm glad we were able to get this moment. Oh, Marie, you're such a sweetheart.
Look at you.
Goodness. I think I'm gonna be. I think I'm gonna like being a rabbiter.
All right, Marie. Now you mount him.
Girl. You're my sweetheart. Oh. There's my boy. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Good job.
That's been 3.
Yep, that's 3. Sure is done. That worked out a lot better. We'll hit them again in the evening as it cools down, just to make sure that it takes. And then I believe in a couple of weeks we will check them to see if there's any lumps.
All right.
And then a couple weeks after that we should have babies.
Sounds good.
Oh, yes, I'll hold this. We'll see you guys in the evening. Alright, we just finished round 2 of breeding the girls, and we got 1 drop off from Marie before she decided she was sick of his shit, and we got a couple out of Tess before they got really tired and just kind of stopped. So, a couple weeks, we'll check them again, and then we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.